Hi everybody! On this episode I visit one of the most beautiful village in Switzerland called Iseltwald, which is located on Lake Brienz. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and open notifications to be informed about new travel videos from all around the world. Iseltwald is a village and municipality on the southern shore of Lake Brienz in the Brienz Oberland region of Switzerland. The village of Iseltwald lies on a delta at the south bank of Lake Brienz, which is 14 km from Interlaken, the road mostly running along the lake. There is a castle in the peninsula called Seaburg Castle, built back in 1907 by the owner Gottfried Sigrist. You can take the ferry from Interlaken ferry station, which is near the Interlaken Ost train station, and it takes around 44 minutes to reach Iseltwald, costing almost 15 Swiss francs. Bus number 103 runs hourly from Interlaken Ost to Iseltwald and back. From Interlaken, it takes only a 20-minute car drive as it is located 9 kilometers away. One of the biggest reasons why Iseltwald has become so popular over the years is thanks to a popular Korean drama show called Crash Landing on You. It looks like it comes straight out of a fairy tale, thanks to its wooden chalets, the pretty flower and the stunning lake next to it, of course. Besides the stunning views, there are plenty of other reasons to visit this wonderful village at Lake Brienz, which we will tell you more about in this video. Iseltwald is first mentioned in 1146 as Iseltwald. During the Middle Ages, a castle was built on the peninsula near the village for the Lords of Matten. Today the local economy is based on tourism, agriculture, fishing, and timber harvesting. First of all, you can take a stroll through the village to relax and admire the beautiful wooden chalets with all kinds of colorful flowers. You can visit historical Swiss heritage Seaburg Castle and you can grab a delicious meal at a restaurant Schloss Seaburg. Another fun and more active things to do during your visit to Iseltwald is to take a hike along the Lake Brienz to the Giesbach Falls. A Korean drama series called The Crash Landing on You was filmed at Iseltwald at the Lake Brienz, and you can visit this exact spot and take some photos. If you are staying in Iseltwald, one of the most popular activities is to take a cruise on a scenic Lake Brienz. If the main objective of your Switzerland holiday is to relax, then you can consider staying in Iseltwald. If you are into SUP, kayaking or canoeing, Iseltwald offers various water sports to visitors. Lake Lodge offers to organize your special paragliding experience as well as thermal trails or even acro flights. Camping Dulac offers cycling and mountain biking activities with 8-9 different routes. Also, some of the lodge or camping sites provide you a road to enjoy fishing at Lake Brienz. Hang Loose is water sports store which provide equipments and outfits for water sports. Dorflade is a small market and offer fresh fruit and vegetables, meat and poultry, beer and wine, toiletries and cleaning products. If you want to buy something else, Interlaken is the closest location for shopping with various kinds of stores. Strand Hotel offers you to taste traditional, regional and seasonal dishes in the restaurant or on the lake view terrace. Nestled in the picturesque village of Iseltwald, restaurant Dorf Pintli offers a delightful dining experience for those seeking authentic Swiss cuisine. Boutique Hotel Bellevue offers rich and seasonal Swiss breakfast buffet with products from the region, fresh bread, seasonal jams, eggs from the farm, and finest Swiss cheese. The Strand Hotel is a family-run establishment that offers a comfortable stay with big terrace, with stunning views of the lake and unwind in the cozy and bright rooms. Lake Lodge is a cozy hostel in the typical Swiss chalet style, located on the shore of the romantic bay of Iseltwald, an untouched village that has maintained its original traditions. Located within 1.1 km from Seaburg Castle, the three-star hotel Chalet du Lac Iseltwald offers comfortable rooms in a 10-minute ride away from the Gisbach waterfall. Iseltwald hotels range from €80 to €250 per night with an average of €170, while most vacation rentals will cost €150 to €500 per night for the entire home. You can expect to pay around €25 for a meal at a budget restaurant and up to €75 for a three-course dinner at a more expensive establishment. In Iseltwald, activities, things to do and other forms of entertainment typically cost around €50 per person per day. The temperatures begin to fall significantly, and by the end of the season, you will see snow on the ground. There are fewer tourists during this time as many of the nearby attractions begin to close until the temperature starts to heat up again. I would recommend heading here no later than the first week of October if you want to be able to enjoy a lot of what's offered on this area. Iseltwald is one of the must-see villages on the edge of the Lake Brienz. It's included on the most people's Interlaken itinerary as it's not too far away and is a great escape from the hustle and bustle of the vibrant town. If you like to explore peaceful, idyllic and fairy tale villages that have lots of things to do and see, then Iseltwald is almost certainly worth a visit. Interlaken is a traditional resort town which is built on a narrow stretch of valley between the emerald-colored waters of Thun and Brienz lakes. The Scheinige Platte is a small mountain ridge and a viewpoint in the Bernese highlands which has a picturesque terrains and has lots of trails leading to the various spots. Thun is one of the most original towns in Switzerland, with its picturesque castle and quaint medieval center is well worth a visit. Bern is a medieval city that features fountains, cobbled streets, unique monuments, and a well-preserved old town that has since been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Lauterbrunnen Valley is one of the most popular destinations in Switzerland, boasting glacial waterfalls, hiking trails, ski slopes, dramatic cliffs, and quaint villages. Grindelwald, a village in Switzerland's Bernese Alps, is a popular gateway for the Jungfrau region with skiing in the winter and hiking in summer. Adelboden is a lovely little village which is known for the Adelboden Lake Ski Resort, which managed to attract countless skiers and snowboarders to the region. Kandersteg is a famous Swiss village with its hiking trails and skiing resorts, which is nestled in the scenic valley in the Swiss Alps and located very close to Blausee and Oschinense lakes. Wengen is the quintessential alpine town, boasting wooden chalets, modest whitewashed churches, and Belle Epoque hotels surrounded by mountain pines. Whether you do or not skiing, Mannlihen offers a wide range of exciting experiences all year round. Lungern is a village and a popular photo spot with its picturesque turquoise-colored natural lake and green landscape. The Harder Kulm is a viewpoint at 1,322 meters which offers a spectacular panorama and size, with its famous restaurant at the top. Oberhofen is a popular touristic village on the shores of Lake Thun, with its picturesque Oberhofen Castle. Nestled between hills and vineyards and dominated by a magnificent castle, Spiez on Lake Thun is an inviting destination indeed. Kleine Scheidegg is one of the most famous mountain passes in the Swiss Alps, both for its impressive views and ski resorts. Jungfraujoch is the highest accessible point in Europe, up to a staggering 3,454 meter high, thanks to its Centennial Railway, which was inaugurated in 1912. If you like my Iseltwald Switzerland video, I would like to see your likes, comments and subscription to my channel for the new travel videos from all around the world. See you!